Alright everybody, welcome into Littlekin's Gaming Corner. This is Littlekin speaking. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Thursday. So today we're going to be playing Animal Crossing's Population Growing. It is our throwback day. And another thing is that sorry about these last 2 days. Just haven't been okay. Just having some personal issues going on here at home, but other than that, I'm okay. Everything's fine. And another thing is, today's Thursday, so we need to get up to 50 followers. That is still going on. We have 7 hours left. Well, technically not 7 hours. We have a little over 12 hours. Yeah, we have way over 12 hours. But, so, I'm trying to think. So the 40th follower will get a $20 gift card from me for the Nintendo eShop. And then the 50th follower, in celebration to that 50th follower, we will be giving away a $50 gift card for the Nintendo eShop as well. So tell your friends, get the word out there. You know, if they liked the stuff that we're streaming, like Animal Crossings, Zelda, Metroid, anything like that, if they like those type of things, let them know. Let them know. Hi Guntham, hi. Sorry I haven't been here. I haven't really been okay mentally, so it's just not, it wasn't a really good combo being on here and not really being okay. But I'm back. Everything's fine. I'm okay. But let's jump into this because we are a little bit on a time crunch right now. Hi, so do you want to see what's happening in town? Right now in Lily Bay, it's September 16th of 2021 and it's 10:57 a.m. You want to get started? Yes, we do. Oh, thank you, Guntham. Thank you. I'm so sorry I haven't been here. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. And thank you. Thank you for being there. That means a lot. Alright, so let's load up the old school Lily Bay. But yeah, I'm okay now. I'm okay. I just needed a couple days to, you know, Gruz Fraba. Alright, so let's get going. Ooh, it's raining. I love it when it rains in this game. Okay, it looks like we got 3. I want to say... Oh, no. I will be decorating New Horizons Lily Bay. Tomorrow's Friday, huh? I'm technically supposed to be off Friday. Maybe I can squeeze in a stream, unless you guys want to see a New Horizons stream tonight. I mean, I can do that too. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Yeah, tonight? Okay. We'll do it tonight then. Of course, anything for you guys. I would do that for you. I think these are all fossils. Hopefully Blathers will take them. Because I know last time I did this. You're welcome. Last time I did this, Blathers didn't take 1. And I want to say it was this one, so it might be a possibility that he probably won't take that one. Alright, so our cherry trees are growing. They're just looking really good. This weekend for this game, I am for sure getting another memory card so we can go explore and meet other animals too. Check on these ones. What is that? Oh god. We got weeds. Oh no. That's not good. It's been a week though, to be honest, so. I wonder how many days it's been raining since the last time we played. Oh! Okay. So, we're gonna have to dig that guy up. This is, Animal Crossing's population growing. It is the very first Animal Crossings that came to America. And it's for the GameCube. This was how I was introduced to Animal Crossings. I absolutely adore this game. My mom actually bought this for my brother. And, I ended up getting into it more than anybody else. Yeah, it does. But you can't go wrong with the old school stuff every once in a while, you know? Oh, there's Samson. Hey, what's up? Morning. You're all about rising early, aren't you? It doesn't matter to you that it's pouring? Anywho, you probably wanted something, so... You probably want something, don't you? So what is it? Of course my phone is ringing. Yay. You guys can leave a message. I'm not in the mood to talk to people. They have all these great moves, and they make weird noises. I completely missed the last paragraph. Okay. Oh, I know what they're talking about. Never mind. The little gyroids that you find in the ground. Who's that? Pee-wee! I haven't seen him in a minute. So let's see. What time do I get off of work tonight? So I'm usually home by 5 o'clock, 5:15, Arizona time. So I'm not sure what time that would be where you're at. But yeah, don't worry. I record these and I post them on YouTube. That's 7 for you? 7 a.m. or p.m.? I know that sounds like a really stupid question. I'm sorry. My brain is like half dead today. p.m.? Okay. That's not bad. Oh, why did I talk to you? Gosh, I don't like this person. She's very rude. No, please, I must ask you not to address me in such a loud voice. You know what? I don't like your damn attitude, Robin. You're just all around rude person. I don't even know why you're here. So I will probably be streaming maybe around like 6 tonight, 6 p.m. Yeah, I don't even want to talk to you, Robin. You're just rude. Rude, rude, rude. I'll talk to you. Maybe you can clear something up for me. Why do I feel so lazy when it rains? I mean, I'm completely useless in this kind of weather. In this kind of weather, if it's gonna be like this, I should have slept in. Yeah, so what do you need from me? Just hanging out. I know an awful lot about food. Yep, you won't run into many folks who knows as much as I do. But I don't know how much about furniture. I mean, it's not edible. I know that much. Anyway, I'm trying to boost my furniture skills, and I was thinking, would you sell me? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure, because I think Blathers already has that one. Wonder what you're gonna do with that fossil. It might be too late for you, Guntham. I'm sorry. Trying to think. Since I'm off tomorrow, the next time I'd technically be streaming this, or New Horizons, is Saturday. And I think, God, that's going to be like an evening stream because I actually have to work Saturday as well. I have a field trip that day. I'm taking cross country to like a whole nother city. Oh yeah, Sunday, definitely. We always stream Sunday. That's our cozy days. And that's like one of those days where like it's pretty much a stream of your guys' choice. But most of the time it is Animal Crossing's New Horizons. Or Zelda. One or the other. Or both. I've done both before. Ah, morning. Don't you totally just hate it when you wake up and peep outside to see icky rain? It's like all my motivation for the day just goes plop. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, what's up? Oh, let's chat. Did you know that a lot of romances begin in September? I'll bet you didn't. Really? See, I knew that it would get your attention. So do you want me to tell you why that is? Any tips? Oh, you want me to tell you? To tell you the truth, I have no idea. I was hoping you could tell me. Okay, okay. Hi. What's wrong? Why? Oh.
There's not here.
Okay, well, it's okay. Just ignore him. Okay? Okay.
I was trying to wash my phone.
Okay, Guntham, I'll see you in a minute. I love you. If you ever figure it out, be sure to tell me. Why? Don't cry. Don't cry. Mommy's trying to find fossils. I've only found one, maybe? Two? No, not even. Wait. Have I found one? Yeah, I found one. Oh, that was a cicada. You're gonna fall off of my lap if you don't stop moving. Oh, he's got a lot of weeds. See all these? My goodness. It's a lot.
All these turn over there.
Yes, this is my daughter, my 4-year-old. Her name is Celine. She wants to be in my arms right now, so she's just gonna be in the stream for a little bit. I only found one fossil. This is not cool. So, Guntham is saying hi to you, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, she's shy. Oh, one fossil? This is not cool. I swear there's more around here. Oh. He almost ran us over. Look at all these weeds. You see it? It's a lot. Look at all the cute emotes Gutham's posting. Aren't those cute? Yeah? I like the one with the pink hair. That one's cute. Do you like the one with the pink hair? Yeah. Huh.
I have cookies.
You want cookies? You need to go talk to your daddy on that one. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh. Go ask daddy for some cookies. She went to go get some cookies. Who's that? Is that Kiki? Why, it's Littlekins. Where are you off to in on such a lousy day? Why do all my animals feel like rain just is completely the end of the world? Oh man. Yeah, I don't blame her either. Cookies sound really good right now. What's your favorite cookie, Gunthem? On days like today, it's best just to stay home and take it easy. So, you must have had some reason for coming to see me. Entertain me. I was just over at Tom Nook's store and I asked him if he could get me this carpet Sahara had. But it turns out you can't buy Sahara's carpets at Tom Nook's shop. He just can't get his paws on them. Oh, I wish I'd known that last time Sahara came through. It's too late now, kitty cat. I guess I'll wait till next time. Oh. Don't feel bad, because I haven't encountered Sahara either. Oh, the two penguins are talking. At least they get along. Some animals don't get along in this game. These fossils are like no joke today. Let's see. Nope. I love the soundtrack to this game. Oh, yay, there's one. Yay. Okay. I think that's two. Oh. It would probably help if we go get some paper. Ah, no! I'm so used to pressing the Y button to pull weeds. Oh my gosh. Damn New Horizons. Curse you. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness. I think there's a rock up here. I think. Maybe. Yep, there it is. Okay, let me see. Nope, nothing. Only 2 fossils so far. I think there's like 4 or 5 in this one. I think there's 5. Need to get more red tulips. Oh, I saw weeds. Right by my house. Nothing. Oh, look, paper. Oh, why do I keep doing that? Oh, no. I know. I'm super exhausted today. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just like, these past couple days for me kind of like drained me of like all energy possible. Really? Wow. Let's write a letter. Uh-oh. The baby's crying. Somebody pissed her off. Happens a lot around here. If she don't get her way, she ain't about it. I've been up since about 5:15 a.m. this morning. Oh, what happened?
Sam pushed me.
Who?
Sam.
What'd you do?
I saw you push me.
He pushed you?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I didn't do anything.
Okay. You gonna go eat your cookie? Okay, baby. Alright, so get those out of the way. Oh! Woohoo! Oh yeah, that's right. I need to dig this up. Chop it down, dig it, whatever. Something. Ugh. There we go. And I'm so, like, pressing on the D-pad right now to do, like, the tool ring, and it's not working. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh. No. Just pick up the fruit without damaging the tree. Oh, camo frog. Is that Littlekins? You look absolutely awful this morning. Wow. Wow. I don't want to talk to you no more. Never mind. I don't have nothing to say to you. You're so damn honest. It hurts. Good God. Oh, there's Huggy. Don't you totally just hate it when you wake up and peep outside and see icky rain? Why does all my animals think rain is icky? Has it really been raining for days where you guys you're just over it? Goodness. I love the rain. I already caught the pill bug. No. Let's talk to you. Quetzal. Alright, I jumped out of bed, ready to meet the day head on, but look at this rain. Yuck. But doesn't seem to faze you the slightest bit. What are you? Water resistant? You tell me, Littlekins, what's new? Care to chat? Who cares if it's raining? Don't be all down about it. Good things can happen even in the rain. Like right now, for instance, you're talking to me, and that's a good thing, right, Littlekins? Oh my gosh, I love the rain. You didn't need to be all rude about it, Quetzal. I guess rain really puts my animals in a really deep funk. Let's see, go down here. How many people do we got now? So, Frigga, Aurora, Samson and Pee-wee, Kiki and Robin, got Hornsby, Quetzal, Huggy, Piper, and Camel Frog. So, Pee-wee and Samson are the two recent ones that are new. think you have up to 15 animals in this one. Instead of 10, I think it's 15. Oh, money rock. Liar! No! Oh! Whatever. I'll take it. It's something. No. Having a little bit of a controller malfunction here. No, wrong one. There we go. Okay, technically there should be 2 more fossils. Should be. I'm not entirely sure how easy it will be to find these guys. They are like hidden pretty good today. Already got our money rocks, so that's not an issue. While we're down here, let's check the fountain. What errand have you at the wishing well of Lily Bay? How are things? Yes, things feel as they should. This is certainly a satisfactory level of prosperity. But with just a little more effort, things could be even better. And we will make them better, I promise. Only 3 fossils today? There's got to be more hanging around. Let's check in here and see if there's any lost items. We don't have any lost items. Okay, cool. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Now let's go in here and give Blathers those 2 fossils. What time is it? I'm so very sleepy. Oh dear me, 1,000 pardons. So terribly sorry. I'm afraid I'm a bit of a night owl. Yes. Yes, well, by the by. Might there be something in which I can assist you with? I want to donate an item. 2, actually. Okay, go pee, baby. I say, splendid. What a no doubt priceless item might you have for us today? So we have a dinosaur egg. Will he take it? I'm not sure. Oh, now. Ah, yes. I believe a dinosaur egg is part of our collection. Yes, indeed it is. Okay, so that's not it. Okay, so no dinosaur egg. He won't take that. Let's try the other one. Let's see if he'll take that. That is the amber? Maybe? Oh. Oh! Okay. And the other one he had too. I remember turning it in last time we played this game. I want to go in there and I want to see what's missing. Alright, I want to go in that room and see what's missing. Okay, no more. Let us go in there. Okay. Yeah, see. Amber. Dinosaur track. Yeah, he would have turned us down on that one. It is so crazy walking into this and then like thinking about New Horizons. This is just only one room of fossils. It's not even like much of anything at all. Just one room of fossils. Isn't this crazy? Let's take a look at the fish. I think the fish is 1 room or 2 rooms. I think it's all 1 room. Yeah, it's all 1 room. This is insane. Like, everything's like 1 room. It's not like humongous, you know what I mean? Alright, Guntham, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Good girl. Yeah, just 1 room. This isn't, I swore it was 2, but... And then again, I'm probably thinking about, like, New Leaf. What have we got? I am just gonna go around and pick these up. I want to try fishing again, to be honest. It's just like really awful that I can't catch a fish in this game. I think it's more difficult in this game than it was in the other ones. Oh, look! Just drop it. I also want to drop another one, so just drop, because I found one. Oh, there we go. Found a fossil in the sand. Let's see. There we go. There might be one more hanging around here. Alright, so let's go up to Tom Nook's. And, let's go turn all of this stuff in. I can't wait until Tom Nook upgrades his thing. They have something that I want. Oh, I gotta sell everything first. I got full pockets. Whoops. Okay, so this, and this. Sounds good. Yes, please. It is so hard to make bells in this. Okay, so I want this. I love this shirt. So it's called a classic top. I'd like to try it on. It looks stunning, as usual. And then I'll buy it. Scoozy, scoozy. Okay, so let's go home, change our outfits, and let's go make an attempt to fish. This is gonna end really horribly. I love this little TV. And then the one, oh my gosh, I think it's the Apple TV. The little apples just rolling across the screen. Okay, so let's do this. There we go. I suck at fishing in this game. Watch. It is not going to be in my favor again. Liar! See? just need to pull it once. Maybe. I love how the bobber just floats downriver. Liar! Okay, like I'm literally having to look. Like I seriously need to look this up again. Let's see. Guess I've been doing it right the whole time. I mean, I don't know. Fish just don't like me in this game. They don't want to be caught. I don't think I've donated one damn fish. Except for the crawfish. And I don't even think that's a fish. It's just a freaking... Turn around, see the bait, love the bait, eat the bait. That's a lie. Honestly. Like, I'm... Wow. How rude. God, this game is so rude to me. Got some rude ass animals and... ugh. I don't like your attitude. See the bait, love the bait, eat the bait. Do it. Woohoo! We actually caught something. Yay. Okay, so we got a carp. Getting better at this, guys. I'm getting better. It's very different from New Horizons. I can definitely say that. And there is our 5th fossil. Okay. And then back to this. Back to fishing. Don't lie about it. Just see it. Love it. Eat it. Come on. Alright, we got a crucian carp. Fire. Oh god, no. So, quick story time. I remember when I was younger and I just like got into this game, like there would be fish like right here in the like towards the end or edge, and like I would sit there and like freak out because I thought I would lose the fish, and sometimes I did and sometimes I didn't. But like for some reason the good fish that I used to be able to catch would always sit here at the edge of the waterfall. Come on, fishy. See the bait, love the bait, eat the bait. Do it. Liar! Oof, you're supposed to like the bait. What's that? Oh, freshwater gobby. Yay. Some of these things I think we can donate to Blathers. Maybe. Maybe. Damn it. I pressed the button too soon. Liar. Liar, liar, pants per hire. It's pants on fire, Patrick. Sorry, I love SpongeBob. See the bait, love the bait, eat the bait, do it! Oh, liar. Kinda sucks when this thing moves. It's just like, damn it, okay. Okay. Do it! Okay. Stupid sea fish. They don't want to be caught. Okay. Just go up there, past the fish, let it catch his eye, you know. Liar. Not even. Let's do it this way. There we go. Okay. Luckily our tools don't break in this game. That's something that I'm very thankful for. Because if our tools broke in this game, I would be wasting so much money on so many fishing rods. My reflexes are so slow. Oh my god. So I'm just going like up and down the river. I kind of want to go over here and see what is happening. Oh, excuse me. What? You're supposed to love the baits. Eat the baits. Ooh! We caught a bared knife jaw. My reflexes were good in that one, I guess. See it? Oh! Oh, shit. Here you go. Go ahead. Damn! Okay. Oh my god. Liar. Ooh. Will it reach all the way out there? Nope. Maybe not. Maybe. Who knows? See the bait. Love the bait. Eat the bait. Come on. Do it. Nope. It's gonna swim on the other side. Of course. Nope. Okay, so I can catch 4 more. Ooh. Sorry, didn't mean to freak you out. There you go. Come on. Ah, we got ourselves a sea bass. So 3 more fish. And then we can take some of these to Blathers because we really need to donate to Blathers for sure. Ah, another sea bass. It's okay. That's Bells. Even though, I mean, like, it's Bells. Let's just put it that way. It's just Bells. We'll make it work. Okay. Not fast enough reflexes on my end. Do we have any little ponds down here? Does it show us on the map? Do you have any? Nope, it does not. That's right, this map is not that fancy yet. Not yet. My reflexes suck. Alright, let's see. Oh. Oh, jeez. Ah! Then my reflexes were too fast. Curses. Nope, nothing up there. I am not gonna lie, I am like the shit when it comes down to fishing in New Horizons, but this one, Another sea bass, of course. More bells for us, even though it might not be much. I mean, it's still something. I think we have one more? One more to catch. Wow, that one was like literally on sand. Ah, liar. Fast reflexes. Anything? Anything? And another sea bass. Okay. Like I said, bells. Let's go talk to Blathers and give him some fish. Alright, buddy. Wake up. You must accept my donations. Okay. So, a carp? Will you take a carp? Oh, indeed, a carp, I believe. Even run-of-the-mill common fish are valuable resources, all part of a grand tapestry. We will take excellent care of this fellow. Oh yes. You can rest assured. Excellent care indeed. Yes, I have another fish to donate. Okay, so there is a crucian carp. Alright, so he'll take that one. Yay. Yes. I think that's the freshwater gubby. Yep. Let's give him that one. This is one of those fish that seem to mysteriously disappear from time to time. Drives fisherman batty. Have no fear, dear friend. You're learning this beauty and in very good wings. Owl honor. Humor, excuse me. God. Okay, so I think donate 2 more fish, hopefully. Let's see, this one is the bear knife jaw. Let's give that to you. Just look at this magnificent creature, truly a king among edible aquatic beasts of the world. Tuna, scallops, oysters, lobsters, salmon, halibuts, crabs, barnacles. Well, maybe not barnacles, but one would have to be in dire straits, indeed, to custom a few of those jagged beasts. Now then, okay, so he'll take him, put him in a new home. Sea bass? Will you take the sea bass? Oh, indeed. A sea bass, I believe. So it is a common fish. As you can tell, it's definitely a common fish. I mean, catch it. We caught it like, what, 4 times? Nope, that's it. Alright, so we did that. Let's go sell. Grab. Okay. Wait. Is it up here? Nope. It's over here. So we're gonna run to our house really quick, grab that paper that was sitting in the middle of the floor, and do our last fossil, put it in an envelope. Let's see. No, liar. Here we go. So, write a letter. Museum. Yes, please. Grab this guy. Put it right there, and then just drop. Cool. Alright, now we're gonna make a trip to the garbage. Drop off the garbage. So, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like keeping the tickets. Now let's go sell the sea bass. No. I want to sell. Alright, so 3 sea bass. Okay, yeah, see, I mean, it's something, but it's not entirely a lot. Okay, so let's head over here. Let's go turn in, let's go mail our fossils and pay our rent. Thank goodness it's a nice one. It's Pele, not Phyllis. Alright, 4 more. Lee. Okay, so we got all that mailed out. Let's make a deposit to pay off Tom Nook. No. We are good. So, we paid our rents, paid, not paid, but we mailed out all of the stuff. We finally caught fish today. I think that's about it for, this part of the stream. I kind of want to do a part 2 later today for, you know, continuing the throwback. But, oh my goodness, sorry, oh god. Oh wait, yes. So save, that's right. Yes, we are finished Pee-wee. Okay. So with that being said, that ends part 1 of the throwback stream today. We're gonna do part 2 later on tonight. Let's see, probably around like 6:30, 7 o'clock. Do like an hour and a half of our second part. Probably I'm definitely gonna change the day. We're definitely gonna change the day. I want to do more fossils. I want to do more fishing for sure, and I just want to build up our bells. So yeah, that's in the plans for tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget, tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is giveaway Friday. The 40th follower will be getting a $20 gift card from me for the Nintendo eShop, and then if we reach 50 followers by tomorrow, that person, the 50th follower, will be getting a $50 gift card through the Nintendo eShop from me. So please tell your friends, share around, hit that follow button to start following and get that following goal like reached, and then that's pretty much it. So again, I hope you guys liked what you saw. I will be streaming part 2 between 6:30 and 7 p.m. Arizona time tonight, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!